Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. This reading is for Disha Salian. She was taking care of PR, public relation of Sushant Singh Rajput, and she was also ex business manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. And she, as said by police, she died because of suicide, but in mysterious circumstances. So this reading is for her. Now, what all questions I had taken in this reading? First of all, the present situation of her soul, because I had checked that she has not yet taken rebirth. So, what is the present situation? That then, was she murdered or she committed suicide? That was my second question. So, I got the answer, and then my next question was who is responsible for her death? Then some angel messages. These are the cards for her next birth. And then what is her connection with Sushant Singh Rajput mysterious death? That was my last question. So let's start the reading. One sincere request, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I'll request you to keep giving me your ideas, suggestions and feedbacks. So right now, what her soul, what is the message at present by her soul? This is the card, Knight of Swords. Now looks like she has not forgotten what has happened, and she really want a revenge. That's what I can make out from this card. And she want quick revenge. She is not at all happy. Her soul must be very angry right now. Now my next question was did she committed suicide or it was a murder? So this card came. So this card indicates balancing act, quick and swift adjustments. So certainly it was a murder which was then swiftly and quickly adjusted to suicide. Then who killed her? So this card came, Page of Cups. Now this person looks like a well dressed young guy. Now in the media I saw that she went to a party in the night of 8th of June. In that party there were many young actors. So even this person looks like some actor, and somewhere having emotionally connected with her, some young actor who was connected with her. That's what I can make out. So some young actor is responsible for her death. That's what I can see. Now, why was she murdered? Again, look at this card. This one and this one. These two pentacles card gives me some idea that there are high chances that for some financial gains, some big financial gains, she was some big financial opportunity rather than gains, some big financial opportunity, she was murdered. Now, are we going to know about her, who killed her, or what is the who killed her, or the real culprits? So angel message for that is, you will know in the morning. I am using unicorn angel cards. So unicorn angel says that you will know in the morning. When you wake up, you will have a better idea about what to do. Relax until then. So, but and here also in this picture you can clearly see it's an evening time, and both this girl and the unicorn are tired, and they have to wait till the morning. So it will take some time. It's not going to be like in say next 1 or 2 months we will come to know. It will take some time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, but certainly it will take some time. But yes, one thing is sure, we will certainly one day, all of a sudden, when we check the news headlines in the newspapers, we will see that yes, the murderer of Disha Salyan is in police net, certainly. Then about her rebirth, yes, she is really feeling, her soul is really feeling cheated. This card also indicates travel, a difficult travel. So her soul is really hurt because of what has happened, how she died, but a kind of new beginning. So death card is there. So she will take the rebirth very soon, certainly. Now, in what kind of family? Here the cards clearly indicates that she will take birth in a very affluent and financially strong family, certainly. And Ace of Swords. So she will be a kind of bold person. Might be related to some kind of like army person or a IPS officer or something like that. But she will be either she will be in politics or she will be in some police or army service in her next birth, and she will be bold, very bold person. Then angel message. Angel message also indicates the same. Here a young boy, a young black boy sitting on a white horse. So clear indication that a new beginning, a new birth, and she will take birth as a boy, a male. And look at this castle. So certainly indicates that she will take birth in a very affluent family. High possibility that it may be in a she might take birth in a politically strong family, strong political family, or this card someone related to army or IPS, something like that. What connection she has with Sushant Singh Rajput's death? This card. So this card clearly indicates that if people want to know who killed Sushant Singh Rajput, or I should say, if CBI wants to know who killed Sushant Singh Rajput, then they should investigate Disha Salian death. Then whole picture will be clear. It's not Sushant Singh Rajput. Not because of Sushant Singh Rajput she died. Here cards clearly indicates that Sushant Singh Rajput was eliminated because to save her. Actually, to save her. That's what I'm getting the feeling. Uh, Here connection looks like he was knowing something which some big deal, big financial gains, and to safeguard those things from coming out, Sushant was killed. That's what feeling I'm getting. Uh, that's it for now. If you like this reading, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me your suggestions, ideas, and feedbacks. Thank you.